Good morning, 7 a.m. on the South Fork of the Yuba River. Beautiful morning. So yesterday we were down in this hole here, and it was paying really good at first, and then I went in there and got a bucket, and the bucket didn't have much in it, and mercury started showing up. And so I decided, even though I was finding good gold in there, to abandon it. I returned to it late yesterday and had some more success. So my first pan of the day is out of here, and I would call it success. Another chunky bit. All these bits are chunky. And this stuff is weighing, boy. I did my weigh up yesterday. I was hoping I had a half a gram, and I ended up having almost 0.8. So I'm not even gonna mess around. I'm gonna do a repeat of last year. I'm just gonna go in there and fill up pan after pan. I'm gonna dump it on this big rock right here. We're gonna build up another mound, and we're gonna work that for the majority of the day. So stand by for that. There's our mound. This is 2025 mound right here. And you can see all the different colors in and throughout this. So, what's in the mound? What is in the mound? First pan from the mound. Nothing to hoot and holler about, but there is a nice healthy poker in there, and if I'm feeling really frisky, I could probably pick it up. But that's just the first pan. Back to the slot machine. Second pan is a lot better, including a couple roly-poly pieces. You can see a touch of mercury again. The Eddie Haskell of the shiny metallic resources. All right. Pan number 3. Well, what can I say about pan number 3 without getting a yellow caution flag on my YouTube video? Pan number 3. Pan number 4. And what can I say? This mound is turning out to be a borderline disaster. Although, that's a nice little piece. Mercury is showing up again. Uninvited as always. Pan number 5 coming at you. Pan number 5 is coming alive a little bit, and we got another chunky piece. 3D. Couple chunky pieces. Man, guys, where are your parents, your uncles, your aunts? Pan number 6. A poker and friends. Maybe that's what I should name my page. Poker and Friends. Pan number 7, and the last pan from the mound, has a whole lot of friends, but they lost their picker. Well, we will take that. And those aren't just like little flakes, man. They all got a little bit of mound to them, and I think that's why that last batch weighed up so good. This stuff is sneaky chunky. Sneaky chunky. Pan 7. The mound is gone. That's how you do that. So, time to take a walk. That concludes another tough day. That's 3 in a row now. And that's always 3 times as tough. So, alright. I'm signing off. That's the tale from the Motherlode today. Humble pie. Alright, welcome back to the gold wagon. We got a little bit of a pile of gold here. It's not as big as some of our other piles, but I'm hoping for a half a gram. So I'm gonna get this on the scale. We're gonna figure out what it's paying. Alright, and there it is. Boy, it's been a while since we had to clean out that small. But this gold has been weighing heavier than that finer stuff. I thought the finer stuff weighed heavier, but anyways, there's the new vial that we're working on. We're gonna get that bad boy filled up before the season's over, that's for sure. So let's get going here. Get this all tiered out to 0. Grab my gold. Come on, half a gram. There's a half of a gram. Oh yeah, we got that half a gram. Let's go. Another higher than I expected clean out. 0.634. On today's market, that's going to get you somewhere around $68. So there you have it. There's some more gold. We're going to make a deposit into the vial. We're going to get that bad boy filled up. Join me out here tomorrow for another tale from the Motherlode. But until then, please everybody, be safe. I ran into an old gentleman on the trail yesterday, bloodied from the head, bloody on the knees, bloody on the elbows. An older guy, he fell. So just please be safe out there. And if you're messing with some pans, you know I'm over here hoping that they're heavy.